Namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss properties of rational numbers. And the first property is two rational numbers p upon q and r upon s are equivalent if p into s equals to r into q. Remember students, equivalent means same. So I will repeat it. The property was if p upon q and r upon s are two rational numbers and they will be equivalent if their cross multiplication p multiplied by s will be equals to q multiplied by r. Let us see with the help of one example. Let our rational numbers are 3 upon 4 and 9 upon 12. Now if we have to check that whether these are equivalent or not, then cross multiply them. 3 multiplied by 12 and 4 multiplied by 9. Now check this cross multiplication whether it is equal or not. So 12 3s are 36 and 4 9s are also 36. Yes, they are equal. Therefore 3 upon 4 and 9 upon 12 are equivalent rational numbers. Now let us apply this in our question number 1 of exercise. In each of the following cases, show that the rational numbers are equivalent. How you have to show? Let us solve first part of question number 1, which is (4 upon 9) and 44 upon 99. We have to check whether these are equivalent or not. Cross multiply 4 multiplied by 9 in the one side and 9 multiplied by 44 in the other side. Don't put any sign between them before multiplication. First of all, check whether they are equal or not. 4 99s are 396 and 9 44s are also 396. So they are equal. So yes, we can write that 4 upon 9 and 44 upon 99 are equivalent rational numbers. I repeat, yes, they are equivalent rational numbers. We can do our question number 2 also using this property. That is, in each of the following cases, show that the rational numbers are not equivalent. For that, I am taking second part of question number 2, which is minus 100 upon 3 and 300 upon 9. In same way we have to cross multiply. In left side we have to write 9 into minus 100 and in right side we have to write 3 into 300. Now 9 into minus 100 will be minus 900 and 3 into 300 will be 900. They are not equal. Therefore minus 100 upon 3 and 300 upon 9 are not equivalent. Why? Because their cross multiplication is not equal. Now let us see property number 2. That is, if p upon q is a rational number, then p upon q will be equals to P multiply by M upon Q multiply by M. Means if we will multiply numerator and denominator with same number, then we obtain a equivalent rational number. Let us solve question number 3 using this property, and the question is write 3 rational numbers equivalent to each of the following. And the first part is 4/7. Now how we have to obtain equivalent rational numbers to 4/7? Let us see. I told you can obtain by multiplying same number in numerator and denominator. So first of all I am multiplying by 2. So 4 2s are 8 and 7 2s are 14. We need 3 equivalent rational numbers. So let us multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. 4 3s are 12, 7 3s are 21. This is second rational number equivalent to 4/7. Now for third rational number, let us multiply by 4. Remember, you can multiply any number, but you have to multiply with same number to both numerator and denominator. So here 4 4s are 16 and 7 4s are 28. So it is your third rational number. First one is 8/14. Second one is 12/21. And third one is 16/28. Are equivalent rational numbers to 4/7. Now let us see one more property of this, that is third property. If P upon Q is a rational number, will be equals to P divided by M upon Q divided by M. Means if we are dividing same number to numerator and denominator, we got equal rational number. Let us see this also with the help of one example, and for that I am taking the second part of question number 3. That is 36/108. Now here you know that both numbers are composite. You can divide them with their factors. So first of all we are dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. So you know you can divide in the rough work like this. So 2 18s are 36. And in same way, when we will divide 108 by 2, we obtain 54. So the denominator will be 54. So this is your first equivalent rational number. Then both are divisible by 3 also. So let us divide them by 3. You can divide by any number, but it must be factor of that number. So 36 divided by 3 12, and 108 divided by 3 36. So your second equivalent rational number is 12/36. Now again we have to divide 36/108 by another number to obtain third equivalent rational number. So here we are dividing by 4. 36 divided by 4 9, and 108 divided by 4 it is 27. So the answer will be 9 upon 27. So you can see that 18 upon 54, 12 upon 36 and 9 upon 27. In the end we have to write 18 upon 54, 12 upon 36 and 9 upon 27 are equivalent rational numbers to 36 upon 108. So these are the two ways to find out equivalent rational numbers. Practice all the parts. Thank you and keep smiling.